If tomorrow's big BLS jobs report comes out weak and the unemployment rate rises, there's a good chance that mortgage rates are going to fall in the near term and that the Fed will be pressured to potentially cut rates at the July 30th Fed meeting. This morning, we got the ADP employment report, which is the precursor to the big jobs report that we're getting tomorrow, and it showed 33,000 job losses. The market was expecting it to show 100,000 job gains, and the trend has been weak. The previous report, initially reported at 37,000, was revised even lower to 29,000. And total job gains within ADP's report over the last 3 months is 54,000. That's an average of only 18,000 jobs created a month. There's a very clear picture here that the labor market is slowing. And it's not just within ADP. You have the BLS initial jobless claims report, people filing for unemployment benefits. The sample week that gets factored into the jobs report numbers was high at 246,000. The ISM manufacturing report, their labor component fell significantly, and manufacturers said they're 3 times more likely to cut jobs than to hire. And almost everywhere you're seeing stories, especially in the tech space, of big companies saying that they are going to be laying off substantial amounts of workers. But here's the problem. ADP and the BLS report, they don't track that closely as of late month to month, but over time, they tend to track pretty close. And the BLS has had a problem. They continuously overstate job growth, only to revise it significantly lower in the subsequent 2 months. But tomorrow, the bar has been set pretty low. Markets are looking for 110,000 jobs to be created and for the unemployment rate to rise from 4.2 to 4.3%. And even though the BLS has had problems, I think we might see some reverting to the mean here, where we are due to see a weak and more sign of what's going on in the economy report tomorrow morning. If we do get a weak report, I expect mortgage rates to fall, and I think there's going to be a lot more chatter and pressure on the Fed to cut rates July 30th.